Hi everyone, welcome back to part 8 of the bike tutorial. So last time we did our bike seat and our bike mount, our seat mount. So last couple of things we've got left to do is basically do our little gear and our pedals and our chain. So today we're gonna do the gear and the pedals, and we'll see how long that takes. We might do the chain in the last video, and then there's a few little things like having some like pipes going through like connectors so it all actually connects, because at the minute we sort of just got like hooks for our front forks. Okay, so I have got this reference up here which seems quite useful. Again, much like with the back gear we've got here, I'm not going to make an actual proper working gear. If you're into that, you can get like add-ins for Fusion Studio gears, so don't message me and tell me I've made a wrong gear. I'm not trying to make like an accurate gear. I'm just trying to make it look like it'd be real. Okay, let's start with a sketch on this surface. Let's turn on reference image. We're going to go circle. Let's come out to about there. And then let's hit finish sketch. Okay, I'm going to hit extrude. We'll make sure we get all those parts there. Let's turn off bike frame first of all. I want bike frame first to make sure we can figure out how thick we're making this. Okay, now we take the bike frame off. We'll go about there. Okay. So what we want to do, as you can see on there, on the canvas and on this one, we've got little cutouts done there. First of all, let's do the actual like gear, the teeth. So let's go on to sketch, go circle. I'm going to hover over the middle just so it appears, and then drag it up, and you can see I've got a construction line forming for me. Drag that out, both surfaces, or both profiles rather. Turn it around like that. Okay, let's go to create pattern, circular pattern, go to features, grab that extrude, axis, grab that, and then remember, the more patterns you start to have, it will really start to slow down Fusion. It doesn't matter. It doesn't actually matter how like powerful your your laptop is. I've got a pretty good graphic card and everything, but it doesn't seem to like it very much. Like, I think it's just Fusion that's not liking it, as opposed to your computer not liking it. So I just wanted to get a look at that gear to see what I'd done differently while I was talking. I should pay attention to what I'm doing, shouldn't I? Select. Okay, we're off, it's begun. Okay, now let's do the little cutouty bits. So let's go to P for object, or sketch rather. I'm just going to draw a quarter part of that circle. Let's come out about there. And then let's offset that, bring it in a little bit, and then edges like that. Hit enter, then hit E, turn around, grab the other side, hit OK. So there I have got my, oh yes, I forgot actually, I need to make sure that's, right, let's go back. There you go, let's offset this. I've got to make sure I'm not cutting through that. Okay, that'll be fine now. Fill it. Now let's flip around. So the only reason I redid that then was that it was going to cut out where the actual hole to connect them was going to be, so it wasn't going to quite work properly. Oh no, I've selected the wrong extrude. There we go. Yeah, I still have my old extrude still there. Okay, let's take a sketch and get rid of that. Okay, so let's go to create pattern, select pattern, features. Okay, because that's not a circle anymore, I'm just going to quickly sketch, P for project, project that circle. So on this side now I should have that circle, and hit E. Oh no, I don't want to do two profiles. Cut that out. Okay, so now let's go to create pattern, circular pattern, features, let's go to that extrude. And then is it 4? I feel like it's 4. Yeah, let's do 4. Like that. Okay, so quite quickly we've managed to get our, our gear done. So on the other side, I'm guessing there's just like a spacer and a stopper, much like on this side. So let's just do that. So in fact, before I do that, I grab that body, Control C, Control V. Just move that into position. Then if I go all the way back in time again, there we go. But what I will do is, let's go to sketch on this, P for project, and we're going to just project these, that oval shape, okay, and then let's just extrude these shapes out of it, but not the teeth because we don't want it to be a gear. There we go. But what we'll do is let's go to chamfer, and we'll chamfer these edges a little bit. Okay, so let's. How long have we been going for? 10 minutes. We can probably do our pedal now. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's go to sketch. And then let's do circle. Let's keep that as new body. Let's do two-sided. I'm just going to drag this out here. We're going to mirror across, and we're not going to do both anyway. But it'd just be a good idea just to have that coming out. Okay, so we've got the start of that. So then let's create sketch. Then let's do line and line. Let's make those parallel. So you parallel. Let's also make that equal. Yeah, that's probably about right. Let's go E. I'll need to make a close profile first of all. That would help. Let's go to circle and 2-point circle. Let's go there to there. Trim that. There you go. Let's grab those. New body. And then so circle. I'm going to drag that out. Have we got a top reference? Out there. Okay, let's give this a bit better shape. Okay, that's better. That's looking quite nice. Just want to check. Okay, good. I've got that as a separate body. All right, let's just have a look at the actual shape of the pedal. So that is pretty much just let's go to construct tangent plane, and let's go to sketch, R for rectangle, or P for project first of all, and then span the middle, R for rectangle, center rectangle, drag out, Okay, let's drag down to two-sided. Oh, two-sided. Okay, let's combine you and you. Okay, I shall. Okay. Trying to decide what sort of extra shape to do. One thing I do want to do is that all not yet one body. Let's have a look what sort of. Okay, let's do sketch, circle. Okay, let's go to create pattern and rectangle pattern. Features of that. Direction. Let's do symmetric. Okay, and then let's do the same on the other side. So let's make a mirror plane. So let's go midplane, U, and U. Then let's go to create and mirror features. So let's do the original extrude and the pattern. Mirror plane is this thing. Okay. And then I feel like I want to shell this surface. Does that work? Okay, and then let's do sketch, do rectangle. Okay, so maybe I'll do one more. There we go, that's what I wanted. Okay, so I think we'll call that pedal finished. One thing I do probably want to add, because they all tend to have like these reflective things on them, so let's just do a quick little rectangle. First of all, let's do construction line. Let's go corner to corner. Do rectangle. Bring that out slightly. Then let's just do it that. And let's just mirror that on the other side. So let's just do construct, replane, this side, and then create mirror feature. And hopefully, there we go. So I'd say that is pedal done. So I know we're probably, how long is this video going on for? 22, okay, that's about right. I'll just mirror that across to the other side. So that is that body. Okay. So let's create and mirror. Bodies, mirror plane. And then I want to just grab that. Move in a bit. And let's set the pivot to there. Bring it like that. And then let's, last little bit, let's split this body, splitting tool, use that surface. There we go, so we can remove that. Okay, so let's combine pedal, pedal, together. So that now should be that part. So let's create a component from body. Let's call that like pedals. And then these two. Okay, let's go to new component. Let's call this like front gears. And then let's drag those in. Open it up, and I'm going to just name those. So main gear, and I have no idea if these are real names. I'm just sort of making these up so I can identify them later. Okay, let's turn canvas off. Excuse me. And we have now got pedals. We need to add materials and stuff, but I'll do that in the next video so as not to make this too long. But we've got gears, we've got pedals. Let's go into render quickly. Excellent. And then, yeah, all I have to do is the chain in the next video. So realistically, I think we probably are doing one more video. Depends how long that is, and then maybe one more to like tweak it and render it. But hopefully you found that useful. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.